In our history, a man-made spacecraft has left the solar system. The Voyager 1 probe, launched 36 years ago, is now in interstellar space. Joining us now in Montreal is Andrew Fazekas, also known as the Night Sky Guy, and an astronomy expert with the National Geographic. Always good to see you, Andrew. How are you doing?
Hi, Jennifer. Thanks for having me.
So let's talk about Voyager 1. How important is this achievement?
It's really a milestone, I think, for humankind. I mean, you have to remember, this is a robotic spacecraft. Yes, humans haven't left the solar system, but here is basically a chunk of metal that humans have touched, and it's actually left the solar system, our neighborhood of the sun. And it's the first object of its kind to do so. And it's bound to just coast through the space between the stars for hundreds of thousands of years, probably well beyond the lifetime of the human civilization. It'll still be going and coasting throughout the cosmos.
That's amazing. Now, tell us about the launch of NASA's LADEE satellite. Is it called LADEE?
That's right. LADEE is basically a lunar atmospheric and dust environment probe. It was launched last Friday from Wallops facility in Virginia. This is a NASA launch facility, and it's the first time there was a lunar launch done in northeastern North America. And it was actually visible last Friday night right up and down the East Coast. Folks from North Carolina all the way up to Maine were able to see this launch in the sky. And it went off without a hitch, but unfortunately there was a hapless little frog that photobombed the launch. And
really?
Yeah, this little frog made quite a bit of a splash. In fact, there was more buzz on the internet about this frog it's just little guy that's on the upper left of the frame of a NASA photo of the moment of launch with the blast of the rocket, and you can see the silhouette of this little frog. Unfortunately, talk about the wrong place at the wrong time. And experts have looked at it and they said, yes, it wasn't a fake, and it's not just a coincidence, lined up of debris. It's actually a little frog that just happened to be there. And the internet is just a buzz of, one giant leap for frog kind and all kinds of other funny sayings.
Of course, people would go there. That's great. Now, the Mars One project is getting a lot of attention globally.
Yes, very much so. This is a nonprofit organization based in the Netherlands that's basically putting together this controversial project of launching the first humans to Mars in about 10 years' time, but it's a one-way trip. And it's been amazing to see that people from around the world have been sending in their applications to become one of the 4 astronauts that would be selected to go on the first mission. And in fact, there's over 200,000 applicants from around the world, Canada being in 8th place in sending in applications. There's literally almost nearly 8,000 applicants just from Canada alone, and it's just amazing to see the interest that this project has garnered. Now the question is, are they going to actually be able to follow through? There's a lot of technological hurdles that are involved.
All right, Andrew Fazekas, also known as the Night Sky Guy, an astronomy expert with the National Geographic. Always great to see you, Andrew. Thanks a lot for this.